These are the first seeds that will be used to plant the Beacon Food Forest. Our neighborhood community has come together to build a food forest within 2 miles of the Seattle city center. The Beacon Food Forest has the potential to be one of the largest forest gardens on public lands.
It's so incredibly exciting. We put so much work into this project in the last 3 years, and now because of everyone's efforts, it's happening.
Food provided free to the people, by the people, and for the people. It's unprecedented.
These are the first babies for the Beacon Food Forest. They're baby blueberries. We're going to pot them up today.
Our goals are to inspire our community to gather together, to grow our own food, and to rehabilitate our local ecosystem. We want to revitalize public lands, improve public health, and create awareness of the climate impact of food production, as well as increasing the safety of our own local food supply.
This project is located in the Beacon Hill neighborhood in Seattle, Washington. It's one of the most diverse zip codes in the country.
We are a community from all parts of the world. This project will provide many opportunities for cultural understanding and empowerment.
Our palette of fruits and nuts and vegetables that we're proposing grew from a list of about 100 to well over 1,000 due to the community and bringing their favorite fruits and vegetables and nut trees from their homeland.
Growing up here in Beacon Hill, I really didn't have access to local, organic, healthy food, especially not affordable. And to have this project coming into this neighborhood and into my life, it really is a piece of what feels like my own evolution as well as this neighborhood. It really is an exciting thing and an incredible offering to everyone.
This is the site. This is where our community will transform 7 acres of public land into a productive food forest. By localizing our food system, we alleviate a lot of pressures on our environment. Our children will learn where their food comes from and be able to eat food with higher levels of nutrition that's right in our neighborhood.
A food forest is designed to create an ecosystem that mimics the relationships that are beneficial to humans, animals, plants, and insects in a natural forest.
We're going to have an edible arboretum of trees from around the world that will thrive in our temperate zone, including varieties such as fruit and nut tree gills, medicinal herbs, berry patches, native plant areas, as well as collective and family garden plots.
We'll have honeybees, and we'll plant to encourage native pollinators. There will be educational classes that will help our community members develop skills that they can use anywhere. Workshops will include soil building, fruit tree care, seed saving, community garden stewardship, and much more. It is essential that we educate ourselves on our local ecology and that we share plant knowledge from around the world. The knowledge we gather will be taught to our younger generations of urban farmers, and it will help to build our garden's resilience against global climate change. If Seattle could provide 5% of its food grown within the city limits, that would be almost more than any other city in the world. With community stewardship of public lands, we can educate our communities to maintain a genetic bank of edible plants that can be seeded and propagated throughout the city.
This all started with an idea. One person started talking to another person, and now this vision this summer will be realized. We break ground in July.
We want the Beacon Food Forest to serve as a model for cultural equality and food justice.
We'd like to set an example to inspire people in the rest of the country and in the world. This is something that any of us can do, and we can do it together.